Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the LALA palette from COLOURPOP. I hope you guys enjoy and please subscribe and give me a like. I really appreciate it. And let's get started with this look. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. And then I'm just gonna set this really quick with my CoverGirl powder. And after setting it, I'm going to be taking in this Alamar Cosmetics brush, and it doesn't have a name, but I'm going to be taking the shade Soft Core. Is this one right here. And I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. Well, I have done this look before, so my brush is already dirty and I haven't washed it. So I'm just going to be using this taper blending brush, and I'm going to be going into the pink called Sandbar. Let me go in there, and then I'm just going to tap off the excess. And let's work this in there. Blending in that Sandbar with Soft Core very well, so there's no harsh lines. So I'm going to be taking the shimmery color Opulent and I'm going to be putting it all over my eyelid. So then I'm going to be taking a little bit of Tickled and I'm going to be putting it in my inner corner. It looks really pretty. Next, I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna be adding some eyeliner, and I'm gonna be taking this L'Oreal. And I'm just gonna be adding a very thin line just so I can apply my eyelashes on them. I'm going to be taking my Better Than Sets mascara. I'm going to be applying I'm just going to be applying a coat on my top lashes. So I found some eyelashes. It's kind of like these. It's kind of like a wispy eyelash. I'm not sure I'm not exactly sure which ones they are, but they were wispies, and I'm going to be using my Kiss glue. So next, moving on to the face. I'm going to be adding some of this Becca Backlight Primer. And I forgot to add some of my pore minimizing, so I'm going to be adding some of that. And I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I feel like this works great. So it hides my pores very nicely. Then I'm going to be taking my favorite foundation at the moment, which is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe brushes sponge. It's a little wet. I already damped it, so it looks humongous. I'm just going to be taking a pump and a half, and I'm going to try to do half of my face. I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Healthy Powder in the shade 710 Classic Ivory, and I'm going to be setting my face with that. And for that, I'm going to be taking the Morphe E3, and I'm going to be setting my face. Pretty tacky, so I'm gonna try and apply my eyelashes with my tweezers. Let's try this again. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna be adding a coat of mascara. Only my top lashes. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes last. We can do our under eyes, so this shall be fun. So I'm going to be taking the shade Zanbar again, and I'm going to bring it under my tree. So then I'm going to be taking a little Lutsy brush, also dirty, and I'm just going to be taking very little of that, and I'm just gonna blend it away. there. It's very subtle. Then I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Shading Contour. And I'm going to be contouring with the shade Shadow Play. And I'm going to be taking this Japanese brush. And I'm just going to put that in there. I'm going to dust it out. Be baking with this Pretty Vulgar powder because I can't find my other ones. I baked with this, so we'll see how it goes. Looks pretty nice. Then I'm going to be taking my favorite blush ever, the Tarte Feisty. And I'm going to be taking this angled brush. I'm just going to be making it. Then I'm gonna wipe off this bake with this little brush. Then I'm gonna be putting some eyebrow gel from Morphe and setting these eyebrows down. Then I'm going to be applying some setting spray. That's this Milani Make It Last. I'm going to be taking my ColourPop highlighter, and that's in the shade Here Kitty Kitty. I'm going to be taking my favorite highlighting brush, and it's the M501. There we go. Then I'm going to be taking my Better Than Set mascara again, and I'm going to be doing my bottom lashes this time. To finish finish up, I'm going to be taking my Liquid Cat Skin Wet n Wild lip gloss, and this is in the shade Sand Nudes. So this is it for the look today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this as my first video. I hope you come back for more, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.